Karbi-Khasi clash over red sandalwood sparked tension on Assam-Meghalaya border. Fresh violence broke out today in Tapatt, West Karbi Anglong, as Karbi and Khasi groups clashed over a red sandalwood plantation by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. A scheduled peace meeting failed after Khasi miscreants illegally uprooted the sapling, triggering a confrontation. A relief camp was set on fire. Assam Police used tear gas and fired 10 rounds of rubber bullets to control the situation. DC Sarangpani Sharma and SP Indranil Barua are monitoring the tense situation with fears of further escalation.